presented a court order on the same. On what capacity will he be presenting what he has before the Senate? Is he the MCA or is he the Speaker?
He's not a Speaker.
As invited, Honorable Chair. Mr. Chair, I mean, on my letter, I was not invited as a Speaker, but as a third use.
We have one
order, man. Please. We have given you time. Order. We don't want to kill the capital. You know, this is actually House of Rules. So you say that you are talking as an MCA or as a Speaker?
As a public litigant.
As invited, Honorable Chair.
Acting?
As invited. My letter...
Letter says what? According to our clerks, they said they have invited you, but we are not been given any title. So yes. I will assume that you will respond as the MCA, probably who is in charge of this team.
No problem, Honorable Chair.
Then go ahead.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Side, from that side. So respect the other policy.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, for protecting us. The Chair, I first take this opportunity to appreciate your effort to ensure that peace, sanity, and accountability is ensured in Nyamira County. Mr. Chair, this is a serious instigated paralysis in the county government of Nyamira, of which it is on us, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, because of the time you allocated us, Mr. Chair, we all very well know that the primary role of the county assembly is oversight, representation, and legislation, Honorable Chair. But, Mr. Chair, I wish to bring it out that there is one serious person who has a role and a hand on this dispute, because your question was, why this stalemate? Mr. Chair, I don't want to hide behind any issue, but Mr. Chair, the clips has played there. There was reasons that triggered the behavior of the MCAs as to why they behaved that way. Honorable Chair.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Nyabaro, if you want us to use that video where you are slapping people, then you are losing it in front of me. There is no justification whatsoever for a leader who's been elected to get into a county assembly, even when you may disagree with whoever is there, for you to be physical against them. So don't sit and tell me that the reason why you were beating somebody else in the assembly is because there were reasons.
Thank you.
Order,
Thank you, Honorable Senator.
Order, Senator Onyonka. Maybe he's built a case, so let's find out and listen to him, please.
Mr. Chair, violence cannot be a case.
Thank you, Honorable.
It can't be.
Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. I don't know in a case where Honorable Senator can find a stranger in his compound what he will do. Thank you, Honorable.
You are not a stranger in Nyamira County government. You are an MP. You are an MCA.
Thank you.
Don't make those arguments here.
Honorable Onyonka, please.
Thank you.
Please. And I don't respond to...
Thank you. Thank you. I will not respond, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, there is an instigated paralysis in the county